Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sandu Davenport from Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Wolf Creek 840. If you take a look at this one here up front, you notice electric jacks. This one's for a short bed. It's got the boxes on the back. Come around here on the side. Got a little storage over here. You want to come inside here, take a look at the back. You can see the awning off the back. It's got the ladder. This one has the Fox landing, so it's easy to get in and out of. If you want to come on inside here. You notice first off the bat, this one, instead of having the oven, this one has the extra drawers. Microwave. This one has solar. An air conditioner. Fantastic fan up there above the bed. The bathroom on this one has been moved up front here. Gives you a lot of room here in the back. This one has a bigger bed here. This makes into a bed. This also has the drop-down bunk here that makes another bed. LED lights all throughout the top. Lots of storage. And if you have any other question, my number's on the screen. You can call me on my cell phone at 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.